Did the OBBB Act change property tax deductions for individual taxpayers? Breaking news for taxpayers. The question on many minds today is whether the One Big Beautiful Bill Act has changed property tax deductions for individual taxpayers. If you are wondering how these changes might affect your tax situation, you are not alone. Many people are searching for clarity on this topic as the new law takes effect in the coming years. Yes, the One Big Beautiful Bill Act has indeed made changes to property tax deductions. Most notably, it affects the state and local tax deduction, commonly known as the SALT deduction. Under the previous law, the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act capped this deduction at $10,000. However, the One Big Beautiful Bill Act will increase this cap to $40,000 starting in the year 2025. This is particularly beneficial for taxpayers in states with high property taxes, such as New York, New Jersey, and California. In addition to the SALT cap increase, the One Big Beautiful Bill Act has made permanent certain provisions from the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act related to mortgage acquisition debt limits. This means that the rules regarding how much mortgage debt can be deducted will remain unchanged. Furthermore, miscellaneous itemized deductions have also been made permanent, which can indirectly impact property tax-related deductions. Another important change is the slight increase in standard deduction amounts starting in 2025. This change may influence whether taxpayers choose to itemize their deductions, including property taxes, or take the standard deduction instead. So, what does this mean for individual taxpayers? Generally, those who itemize their deductions will be able to deduct more in property taxes due to the increased SALT cap. However, the higher standard deduction may lead some taxpayers to opt for that instead of itemizing. In summary, the One Big Beautiful Bill Act brings significant changes to property tax deductions, allowing for higher deductions for those who itemize. However, the increased standard deduction may change how many taxpayers approach their filings. Stay informed and consult with a tax professional to see how these changes might impact your personal tax situation.